to my channel. Today is a video where I would be sharing my monthly favorites, but I've kind of decided I'm not going to do that anymore. I'm still going to share my favorite things. I just don't want it to be every month, especially because I haven't been posting as much. I don't know if I said this in a video already, but my camera's broken, so I'm working on my phone right now. Until I get a new camera, it might be like next month. I just haven't been able to film as frequently, and so like every other video is like a monthly favorites video. I still try to get up a video every week for you, but I would like to be doing like 2 or 3 videos. So I'm not gonna do monthly favorites as much anymore. I'm just gonna be doing like my favorite things lately, especially because I don't really want to share things with you just to get like content. I want to share things that I actually really love, and so I usually always do end up adding up a lot of things throughout the month that I really love, and like I'm not going to share with you guys something just to share something. But yeah, how do you guys feel about that? Is like just like my lately favorites, is that like more appropriate? If you're new here, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. We are small but mighty, and I love you guys so much. Anyways, I'm obsessed with these things. Oh gosh, I keep saying that I'm obsessed with things. I'm really loving these things right now, and I just wanted to share them with you guys. And so let's just get right into it. Okay, so I'm going to share with you guys 2 of the beauty things that I'm obsessed with right now. And I got all of these in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. I don't buy high-end makeup unless I have like a 20% off coupon to Ulta, which happens like 2 or 3 times a year, or like 21 Days of Beauty is a nice time to try things. I got this Buxom lip gloss in White Russian, and I love it so much. I've worn it every single day since I bought it. I love lip gloss. I never really got onto the matte lip train or trend. I don't think matte lips are necessarily like, I don't know how to say this. I just don't think that they're the most flattering. Like they make your lips look smaller, crusty sometimes. So I love glossy lips. I think it's beautiful, healthy, glowy. I can't quit the gloss. And so I even put it on like when I go to the gym, like grocery store, no makeup, whatever. I always love to have a gloss on. And this one is actually supposed to be lip plumping. I don't know if it really is. The color I think is just, oh, I'm wearing it right now. It's just such like a really pretty soft lip color. This is like my favorite color for my lips to look. So I am really glad that I picked this one up, and I definitely would be repurchasing this at full price most likely, depending on how fast I go through this tube. And the next thing I got is the Roller Lash from Benefit, and I just mostly got it because I was out of mascara, so I was like, oh well, this is a good option because it's like basically the same price as a drugstore, so I might as well just try it. And I'm actually really enjoying it. It's not anything like amazing. I'm wearing it right now. I don't have amazing eyelashes, but it's really clean and simple to get on. I didn't make a mess, and I just really like the brush on it. I'll show you guys. It's just very simple and clean, and I feel like it just made application really easy. And so far I'm liking the formula as well. I think it's pretty good. So, and the packaging is really cute. So that's always a good thing on makeup. I love when my makeup stuff looks really cute. And then I got this Shiseido, I think that's how you say it, eyelash curler. I've struggled finding an eyelash curler that fits my eye. I think that's the key. I just have very large eyes, and so a lot of times they just don't fit right and they're not rounded right. And so I don't really know how anyone could say like one eyelash curler fits all, but this one fits for me, and it was on sale for the 21 Days of Beauty. It was only $15. So I grabbed it, and I've really enjoyed it. I think it's a good one. Maybe if you are in the market, I would recommend this one. But like I said, it's hard because everyone's eye shapes are so different. Okay, so now I'm gonna get into the home things, which I am so excited about. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna share with you are these containers that I got, and I am obsessed because they make your pantry, you don't even have to have a pantry, you can just have like cabinets and you just put your stuff in it. And I just keep getting more and more because I'm like, oh, there's a new size or whatever. I love them so much. In fact, I got my sister-in-law hooked, I got my mom hooked, my sister. I shared them on my Instagram. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, I'll leave my handle here, but I have never got so many questions like tell me everything about these containers, because they're beautiful, but they're very functional. Like this is a very thick plastic. I bought some, so you might have seen my pantry makeover. It now looks completely different, like literally like 2 months later, maybe even a month. It's completely different. I got a bunch of ones from Ikea, but they just kept cracking. So I was like, you know what, that's not gonna work. I took them back and I invested. I spent a little bit more money, but I think these are gonna be better. And then on the top, you can release the suction just by doing that, and then it's really simple. And then the suction goes back on when you push it down, and so you're gonna have fresh food. And they come in like a ton of different sizes. So my pantry now is full of these. I love them so much. I probably should do like a new pantry organization video because now that one is completely out of date. My pantry no longer looks like that in any way. So maybe I should fix that. Okay, the next thing I got, I'm just gonna stay on kitchen topic. I got this glass cutting board and it looks kind of dirty. I should have wiped it down before I brought it over here. But I always had one at my mom's house and my grandma's house growing up. They always had glass cutting boards and it just seemed normal to me to have one, but I always kind of thought like they were vintage or something. I never see them at Walmart or Target. Maybe I'm not looking hard enough. But as we moved into our new house, I kept thinking like, oh, I wish I had like a permanent cutting board rather than pulling out a cutting board every time I chop something small. Like chicken, obviously I'd rather get a new cutting board, but there's so many times where I'm just cutting like an apple and I just wish I could do it on my counter, but I don't want to cut on my counter, obviously. So I was like, man, I wish I had one of those vintage glass cutting boards like my mom and my grandma had. And I asked my mom, like, where'd you get it? And she's like, I don't know, it's been like 30 years. So I started doing some research online and they're everywhere. But I got this one particularly at Bed Bath & Beyond and it's huge and it was $10 and they always have a 20% off coupon. So I got that and I got it for $8. I love this. I use it so much. It has these little pads on the back so it doesn't like move on your counter. You just put it like in a spot where I put it personally next to my sink where I can cut and then just wipe off. I love this. If you have a home and you're trying to take care of it and it's not like it's huge, it doesn't like show because it's glass, so it doesn't like stand out. It blends in and it just makes like life easier. So that's something I really am loving. And then the next two things are just so fun. So I got this from Ikea randomly. Like normally when I go to Ikea, I have like a list and I just try to stay strictly to the list. Otherwise you get like distracted by all the beautiful things. But I did get distracted this time, but they were so affordable and I think it's so cute. Like it's a little dainty. I got it originally to put in Malia's room. I was like, this would be so cute on her dresser. And then I loved it so much, so then I put it in the kitchen, and then I was like, well, maybe I want it on like by my bed. So I was like, maybe I need to go back and get more, but I thought it was so cute. This like pink vase looks so vintage and like just really cute. And then this flower is just like a little carnation, but it actually looks pretty real. If I didn't know, I would think it's real until I touched it. And this was $1 and this was $2. So what a cute little arrangement for like $3. It's simple, so maybe it's not your thing, maybe like big and grand, but I thought that was like really cute. In fact, if I had something, it would look really cute with this little setup over here. If I had like a shelf or a bench or a table or something. Anyways, I thought that was really, I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you like it? The other thing I picked up at Ikea, not expecting to, like I've never honestly bought any candles from Ikea, but I always see people buy them in their hauls. Oh my gosh, I bought this candle and first of all, I love the jar, or it's not even a jar, it's a tin. I love the tin. It's just adorable. Like I love it so much. I think it's so cute. I love the shape and the pattern, but the smell, it's lemon. Lemon is my favorite scent for a home just because it smells like you were cleaning. And so I like light this really quick before my husband comes home and I'm like, oh, I've been cleaning all day and I'm not, the house is still dirty, but he thinks I've been cleaning all day. No, actually he doesn't think that, but it makes me think that the house smells clean. So I love lemon everything and you can see it's like bright yellow. It is lemon. It smells like pine sol actually, like lemon pine sol, but to me that's like a good thing. I love it. So this candle was $5 and it has a 28-hour burn time, so that's pretty good, I think. I actually got two because I was like, I don't live that close to Ikea, but when I run out, I know I'll want more. And I lit it for the first time yesterday and it did smell up like the whole house. So this is a good candle to have. So if you go to Ikea, look at their candle section. I will say most of the smells made me like, it was not good. I did not like most of the smells, but lemon is always good to me. Okay, the last thing is for moms. If you have kids, you guys need to know about this. So I think everyone's kids loves these magnetic tiles, right? There's so many different versions you can find. I think the like official one is like Magnetiles or mag formers, and they're just pretty expensive. The first set we got was those, and you just don't get that many. It's usually over $1 a piece. And so I was really excited when somebody recommended to me these ones from a company. This is the company, Magnetic Tiles, Miss Sugi. Got these on Amazon and then they were running a promotion for 15% off your purchase. I'm gonna link that code below just in case they still are. I got 74 tiles for like $30 plus 15% off. So it is an incredible price and the quality is incredible. If you guys don't know what these are, it seems like any other building thing that your kids can use to build, but it's not. It's so much cooler. Any age can enjoy this. Like literally, I enjoy using these. A 10-year-old can enjoy them. A baby can enjoy them because they're like colorful pieces and they're not like choke hazards because they're not that small. My toddler loves it and my 4-year-old loves it. So that's the thing that's amazing about these. And like, honestly, like just look how fun that is because they're magnetic and you can build so many things. You can build houses, comes with pieces to build cars. I love these so much, and these are the kind of toys that I like to encourage and promote because they're like good for your kids' brain. They're small, so I can just put like a ton of pieces in here and then pack them away. The key is to find toys that the kids don't get bored of. So this is one that they could just play with forever, and I just love it so much. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I thought that was a great price. It's a new company. It's actually a local company here in Utah. That's how I heard about it. And they're doing really good. They're making a really good product at a really good price. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. What things are you obsessed with? What am I missing out on? I will say there's a lot of things I wanted to share in this video, but I also have a Target haul, and so I just included them there. I'm also obsessed with those things. So make sure you check out the Target haul. It will probably be up like in a few days, and then you guys can see the other things that I would have put in this video, but I wanted to do just like a strictly Target haul. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.